In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log a call or meeting in Freshsales. Keeping your CRM up to date is one of the simplest ways to improve follow-ups, team visibility, and forecasting. Logging a call or meeting only takes a moment, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly what to capture so your activity history stays clear and useful. Start by opening the record you want to update. This can be a contact, a lead, or a deal, depending on where the interaction belongs. From your Freshsales dashboard, navigate to the appropriate section, use the search bar if needed, and open the specific record. Make sure you're on the right profile so your activity is tied to the correct person or opportunity. If the interaction involved multiple stakeholders on the same opportunity, logging it on the deal is often helpful for full context, while one-to-one conversations usually live best on the contact. Once you're in the record, look for the Log Activity option and click it. You'll see choices for different activity types. Go ahead and select Call if you're recording a phone conversation, or Meeting if it was an in-person or virtual session. Pick the one that best reflects the interaction so your timeline remains consistent and easy to scan later. Next, fill in the details. Set the date and time to when the call or meeting actually happened. If you're catching up on previous work, feel free to backdate it so your timeline reflects reality. Enter the duration. It doesn't have to be exact, but a close estimate helps others gauge effort and depth. In the notes field, summarize the essentials: the purpose of the conversation, key points discussed, decisions made, and any commitments or follow-ups. Keep it clear and action-focused. Avoid including sensitive information. Instead, note where it's stored if your organization has a secure location for that. If your team uses a standard note style, like labeling sections for discussion and outcomes, stick to it for consistency. When everything looks accurate, click Save. You should now see the activity appear in the record's timeline, giving you and your team a clean chronological view of engagement. If you spot a typo or missed something, you can always reopen the activity and edit it later, so don't feel pressured to make it perfect on the first pass. Just make it clear and timely. That's it. Open the right record, choose Log Activity, select Call or Meeting, fill in date, time, notes, and duration, and save. Make this a quick habit after every interaction, and your Freshsales data will always be reliable and ready to support your next move.